Okay, you discuss maintain physical needs. Huh?
Yeah.
Read. Okay, now. Lead. With respect to definition of the leaf, each and every word is different. The paper setter, you can change any word as a result. There are no chances are there you can do the mistake. Okay. First, leaf is a green, flattened, chlorophyllous photosynthetic structure. It is a green. Why it is green? Chlorophyllous. Meant for. Okay, this is okay. Where from they arise? Where they develop? Okay, first origin. Where from they originated? It is originated from Sam. Who is Sam? Shoot apical meristem. Shoot apical meristem undergoing differentiation results in leaf formation. Where it is formed? Where it is born? Where it is born? Where leaves are born? Which regions? Whole stem, huh? No branches, huh? Huh? Both stem and
branches.
Stem and branches where? Top, bottom, middle, nodal regions, internodal regions, both nodes and internodal regions. These originated from Sam. Shoot apical meristem. Where they are born? Nodal regions of the stem and its branches. Stem and its branches. Both nodes and internodes, sir. Only internodes, sir. Only internodes of the stem and its branches. Okay, these are the leaves. And leaf is an organ of limited growth, unlimited growth. Huh? Unlimited growth. Huh? Limited growth. Huh? Yes or no? No. It unlimited growth. It goes on growing, becoming larger. Huh? It is an organ of limited. Okay, bye. It is an organ of limited growth. How they are arranged on the stem and branches? If you see the diagram, older and larger leaves at the younger and smaller leaves at the Hence, this arrangement is known as haplophaetal. Arrangement is haplophaetal. What are these, Nana? What are these structures? So in its axis, it bears. In its axis, it bears auxiliary verse. Okay, na? So stem leaf bears in its axis auxiliary verse. Those auxiliary verse may give rise to later branches, flowers, or any modified structure. In general, usually, commonly, generally, it gives rise to later branches. Sometimes flowers. In some cases, occasionally, they may get modified into thorn, roots, depending upon the plant. So, here, paper setter may use, Sam means he may use lateral meristem. Nodal region, both nodal and internodal region, only nodal, internodal region. Organ of unlimited growth he may use. Basipetal arrangement he may use. It does not bear auxiliary verse in its axis fiber. And also another important thing, these are the organs of exogenous. Exogenous in organ. Which are the exogenous in organ. These are exogenous organs. They are originated from the cortex. Okay, na? A typical leaf differentiated into how many parts?
3.
What are those parts? How many? 3 parts. Okay. What are those 3 parts? What is this? This portion is known as node. What is this portion? What is this portion? The place where leaf arises on the stem of the node. Okay. How we get attached to the node? With the help of? Not. Do all the leaves possess petiola? A typical leaf differentiated into 3 parts. What is this part? Leaf. A stalk of the leaf. Petiole. Main expanded photosynthetic structure. Leaf lamina or leaf. The basal portion of the leaf by which it gets attached to the nodal region of the stem and it branches is known as leaf base. But there are some plants which I am explaining now. This is important. In the case of Leguminosae family or legumes, modified leaf base is present. What is that? Pulvinous leaf base or pulvinate or pulvinous. Solar leaf base is known as pulvinous. In some plants, particularly grasses and banana, leaf base is expanded sheath-like structure known as sheathing leaf base. Sheathing leaf bases are found in banana. One more example. Grasses. Okay, na? These are important. Stalk of the leaf is known as that terminates with leaf lamina. Okay, it exposes the leaf lamina to the sunlight, and this is the main expanded physiological performing functions of the leaf. Which one, Nana? Leaf lamina or leaflet. It is concerned with A. P for photosynthesis. T for R for respiration. Okay, na? The mode of arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaf lamina is known as veination. How many kinds of venation? What are those two types? Which type? Reticulate venation. Parallel venation. Okay. What is reticulate meaning? Reticulate meaning irregular network, net like, that is the meaning. Okay, na? So, in the reticulate venation, which are arranged in the form of network like manner, veins, midriff, veins, and veinlets are. Veins and veinlets are. Veinlets only are. Huh? Veins and veinlets. You check your book. Veinlets only. You open the NCERT test book. So veinlets only. Veinlets only. The form network like structure. Okay, na? These veins are nothing but water veins, Rana. Water veins. Anatomically, they are nothing but vascular strands, vascular tissues. That is xylem and phloem. Internally, they are meant for conduction. Into materials, water, minerals. Externally, we are using the name veins that acts as an exoskeleton system. Yes or no? So leaf is get exposed. Means how it get exposed? If you remove all the veins, can it get expanded? It shows any shape, particular shape. So it is also providing mechanical support to the leaf lamina. Okay, na? So this is very, 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 very important. If veins are arranged, lateral veins are arranged parallel to each other, this type of venation is known as reticulate venation is characteristic feature of reticulate venation is found in all dichots are. Some dichots are majority of the dichots are. So most of the dichots. And some here
Most monocots, some dicots.
most of the and some dichots. Okay, na? Any doubt of it? So in your syllabus, which family? Monocot family? Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae. Three are there. Out of these three, which Liliaceae shows Fabaceae and Solanaceae because they are dichots. Okay, na? I was given exceptional case. Monocot shows reticulate. What are those? Are given sad plants. Yes or no? Sad plants. Why they are sad? They are monocots. They should show instead of parallel, they are showing abnormal character. What is that? That's why they become who are sad fellows here? Smilax. Alocasia. Dioscora. Election commissioner plants are Eryngium. Colophyllum. These are dichots showing parallel plants. Okay, na? Easy plants. Okay. The mode of arrangement of leaves on the nodal regions of the stem and its branches is known as huh? Philo. What is phyllotaxy? Philo means leaf. Tax is arrangement. Arrangement of leaves is known as how leaves are arranged like a gap. How they are arranged like a gap. Genetically, arithmetically, systematically. You got it up? G for A for S for why this is seen like that? Because to prevent the overshading, overlapping of the leaves, so that all leaves should get uniform amount of sunlight. That's why they are like gaps. Genetically, automatically, and systematically. Okay, now there are different types of phyllotaxy. What are those different types? Okay, alternate. Alternate. Examples are China, mustard. Okay, na? Next, opposite. G for Papa. C for whole below taxi.
Nerium.
Austonia. Correct? Huh? This nerium is not there in the NCERT test. Only Austonia is given. Okay, na? If a single leaf arises at each node, okay, na? See, leaf, leaf, leaf. How they are arranged? How they are arranged? How they are arranged? Okay, over. How they are arranged? If you draw an imaginary line touching the all the bases, which line is obtained? Spiral, no? Spiral phyllotaxy. Okay, na? Okay. Opposite guava and carrot. World phyllotaxy of Stonia. As you know that car wheels, they're made up of aluminum. Okay, na? They're very costly, no? Light and costly. Okay, na? Car wheels are aluminum. Aluminum wheels are very costly and light. Most of the people they prefer. But in cheap, one should require. Who will prepare alternative in cheap? Which country people? Which country in the world? Always they go for alternative. All duplicates are available. Huh? Made in China. Yes or no, Abhay? Alternatively, China made sasta. Sasta means cheap. Okay, na? You got it up, please? Be aluminum or alternative source developed by whom? China. China made sasta always. That is the alternative to for purchasing the wheel aluminum. Okay, na? Alright, what is this? What is this? 39 time. 39 pairs with whom? Time in pairs with whom? Client get married to whom? Dawn and male ra. 3 nuptial knots.
See.
Wife name is? They both are opposite to each other now. Opposite are G and C. G and C are opposite now. G pairs with C. C pairs with opposite now. Complementary pairs pairing. Like that you remember. Okay, na? What is the next one? Modification you can read now. Leaf modifications. First one. Leaf friendly example. Here. P. Different is. Smilax. Gloriota. These are from VVSC family. This is diagram based. This is directly given in the book. Okay, na? Fine. Example. Cactus or cactus. Opuntia. Okay, na? Scales. It is seen in plants which are showing modified underground stem. All modified underground stem having which type of leaves? Scales. Rhizome, palm, all very thick. But exceptionally, how are the scale leaves? They are smaller, thinner, drier, membranous. Scale leaves means small, thin, dry, membranous. But exceptionally, scale leaves are fleshy in fleshy scale leaves are seen in onion and garlic. This is very important. Okay, na? Leaf tendril is meant for flying. Which one is get modified into tendrils in the case of P? Stipules are petiola, entire leaf are leaflets are. See the diagram. Terminal leaflets. Terminal. Basal leaflets are terminal leaflets are. Terminal leaflets modified into tendrils. Okay, na? Spines. They are meant for primarily meant for these are the modification, not primarily for protection. Right? Leaf is the main transpiring organ now. Yes or no? To reduce the transpiration, they get modified into a small, sharp, pointed structures called spines. So spines reduces the transpiration and indirectly it also acts as a defensive organ. Yes or no? Protect from the herbivorous animals. Okay? Scale is to reduce the rate of transpiration. But exceptionally, it is fleshy in onion and garlic. Next, fourth modification. Boy, remember, pillow clade is a modification of stem that is meant for photosynthesis and to reduce transpiration. Function same, pillow function, photosynthesis and to reduce transpiration. But pillow is the modification of under which condition I explain? Leaf mods. Pillow clade. Pillowed. No. Leaf. Which part of the leaf? Any part of the leaf except leaf lamina. Are you following? Pillowed is the modification of leaf, no doubt. But it is a modified structure of any part of the leaf other than leaf lamina. Example is very important. Here for which country? Continent?
Asia.
African. Australian. 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 Okay, now here pillowed is in Australian occasion. Pillowed is the modified. Pinnately compound leaf. Leaflets are small, short-lived, and the petiole get expanded into leaf-like structure. Okay, na? This you remember. Last one. Which leaves? Fab leaves. Fab leaves are found in which plants?
Insectivorous.
Insectivorous plant. Infab, defab, Drosera. Dionia. Youth people. Which plant? Which plant? Huh? Some new plant. Venus flytrap. Plant. Okay, na? So this plant synthesizes which enzyme to digest the insect body? They trap the insect, no? After trapping, what they will do? They will catch up. After catching, what they will do? What they will do? They catch insect. Then what they will do? Whatever. After catching, what they will do? They will. After killing, what they will do? Digest. After digestion, what they will do? Observe, no? Yes or no? Which enzyme they synthesize? Nitrogenase. Correct? What is protein digesting enzyme? Protease. Nitrogen fixation, here. Trap is meant for nitrogen fixation, nitrification, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification. Then which is correct then? Trap leaves are meant for A. Nitrogen fixation, nitrification, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification. Nitrogen assimilation. They are, after digestion, they are assembling. What they are assimilating? Nitrogen. Okay, now? How they are digesting? By releasing which enzyme? Proteases, not proteolytic enzyme. Okay, now? Insect body is made up of proteins. Exoskeleton, chitin, no? Chitin is made up of nitrogenous substance, NAG, N-acetyl glucosamine. Okay, na? Which is the most attractive part of the plant?
Flower.
Which is the reproductive unit?
Flower.
Flower. Flower is originated from which meristem? Shoot apical meristem becomes floral meristem. The floral meristem differentiated into flower. Followed. Axis of the flower is known as axis of the flower is known as axis of the flower is known as what?
Thalamus.
Axis of the flower is known as thalamus. Correct or wrong? Thalamus, no? The stalk of the flower is known as the terminal condensed expanded portion of the pedicel is known as and axis of the flower is known as thalamus differentiated into four node and three internodes. First internode, what is developed? Second internode, second node, third node, fourth node, calyx, corolla, ambitium, gynoecium are four different kinds of floral leaves. These are modified leaves. These modified leaves are known as floral leaves. Okay, na? Modified leaves present in a flower are known as floral leaves. First one indicates which kind of floral leaves? Members of calyx. Second one, members. Third one, member. Third one, okay, na? Any doubt? Okay. Which is the outermost one of the flower? They are smaller, green in color. Generally, usually, commonly, they withers and falls apart. After, but exceptionally, they remain get attached to the fruit even after fertilization. Such type of calyx is known as persistent calyx. Persistent calyx is characteristic feature of which family? Solanaceae, chili, tomato, calyx is present, persistent calyx. Okay, na? If sepals are free, I will send to police station. PS, polycephalus. GP, polycephalus condition example. Your textbook diagram, 34 something, 32 page. Floral diagram. NCERT. Mustard, floral diagram, floral formula. Sepal spore, 2 plus 2. On the page, back side. Turn the page. Stop. What is the left page? Page number 78. Ray, what is the page number that one? 78 page. Floral diagram, you see, four sepals are there. They are free from each other, no? Outer wall 2, inner wall 2, 2 plus 2, floral diagram, formula, you see, 2 plus 2, without brackets. Yes or no? So, polycephalus condition. Okay, na? You see the Fabaceae, 5 sepals, green in color, they are united, no? Gamocephalus. Even Solanaceae also gamocephalus. Okay, na? Okay, let us discuss about that. Structural symmetry of the flower. Structural symmetry of the flower. How many symmetries are there? If I will write this symbol, indicates actino or radial symmetry. Example, Nana. Mustard, mustard, Saturano, chili, correct? Second one, zygomorph. Zygomorph is by nature. Example, Gulmohar is given a B is given a P is given a Asia is given. For example, a third symmetry A symmetry. Example, here flower is cut into two equal halves longitudinally by passing through the center into any plate. In all plates, more than one plate or all plates. Hence the name acromorphic. When flower is cut into two equal halves only through one plate, cannot followed up, cannot cut into. Hence the name mad chili. Okay na? M for A for acromorphic. G for chili. Zakir Hussain, you know? Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain. Zakir. Zakir means here. He was very genius. Zakir Hussain was a genius. BPC. He was very genius. He was a BPC student. He was genius in biology, physics, and chemistry. You got it up, please? Zakir. Genius in all three options: biology, physics, and chemistry. Okay, na? Asymmetry. Cannot. Okay, na? The summer resting period is known as summer resting period. Arrangement of sepals and petals, calyx and corolla, tepals are period. Any word you can use. In a floral bud is known as mature flower of floral bud is known as first type is known as already. Aluminium is there, no all? Huh? Correct? Second, third. Second and third. Chalo. Okay? Which is division? You see it? Cotton. Ready. Ready means? Very sweet.
Finger.
And China rose. Twisted. What is that? Twisted and curved. Babies are developed in China. You got it up, please. How are the ladies' fingers in China? Twisted, curved, twisted and curved. What? Huh? Bending in China. Okay, na? What are twisted and curved in China? Okay, na? What is the third type, na? Actually, ascending imbricating distribution. Okay, na? Example. Asia. Gulmohar. Fourth one, maxillary. Papilionaceae. Correct? Huh? Okay. I am college guy or girl. You got it, please? I am guy. Very popular. Okay, na? Who is very popular? Oh. I am college guy. Very popular. If you ask my name, everyone knows. Okay, na? So, these definitions, we just you go through it. In which type of instillation there is no overlapping? One. Highest degree of overlapping? Twisted. Inside, outside, inside, outside. Okay, na? In vector instillation, the largest petal is outside, known as stranded petal or maxillary. That is overlapping to small lateral petals called or rabbit. And a pair of anterior petals fused towards anterior side, known as heel petals or which couple? Carina couple. Carina. Okay, na? 6 orbits are enclosed inside the which petal? Heel or carina. Okay, na? So here overlapping is descending order, no?
Yes.
So hence Vixen is also known as descending. Okay, na? Here overlapping from down to up, ascendingly indicate. Okay? What is the next one, please? Curiosity, yeah? Diversity. Position of dimension with respect to other global parts on the thalamus. What is the first time? Hypogamous flowers are. This symbol indicates hypo means below. Hypo means below the gynecium. Dash is there, no? Are you following? Hypo means below G, gynecium. Below the gynecium, remaining floral part down. That's why gynecium feeling very superior. Other floral parts. Example. China rose. Correct? Huh? I will write first megastar. Megastar who? Chiranjeevi. And his bro. Who is his bro? Huh? Pawan Kalyan, Nagababu, something else. Okay, na? So megastar Chiranjeevi and bro. What they started? You party, no? Raja party, do you have it?
Yes.
Raja Rajyan party, PRP party. Correct? PRP. Huh? So people, Yawa, beach, harbor, people, now. Okay, na? So what they started a new party. Yes or no? When they start a new party, if they want to win, means they should do good campaigning, no? Happy guidance. So they started doing campaigning. How? You know, they took the help of Government college. Government college. Students. Which student get our campaigning? Government college students. Okay, now who started PRP party? Correct class symbols. This is Ichori. Here 50-50 beaten and track and jacket. Yes or no? This is okay na? Now what is the next one? What is the next one? The female, sorry, male is there. No? Okay, on veracity is there. Trimerous flowers are characteristic feature of monocots. Okay, na? Monocot family. It is characteristic feature of which family? Marigod family. Beta-Meres. Solanaceae, Diabaceae. What type of meracity is seen in dicot plants? Tetra or monocot families. If non-essential organs, 3 or multiple of 3s are known as 4 or multiple of 4, 5 or multiple of 5, 5 sepals, 5 petals. What is called? 4 sepals, 4 petals, 3 tepals or multiple of 3 tepals. Trimerous is characteristic feature of mono. Tetramerous and pentamerous condition is characteristic feature of male reproductive structure of a flower is called members of ambitious. Stamen consists of how many parts? Huh? Anther and stigma. Huh? Filament. Okay, na? What is this? What is this? How many kinds of anthers? This anther is known as how many anther lobes? 4 or 2. This is one anther lobe, no? This is another. Dicticus anthers are bisporangiata, tetrasporangiata. And this diagram indicates monothecous. Great. Bisporangiata. It is characteristic feature of which family? Malvaceae, not monocot, male, Malvaceae. Example for Malvaceae. Hibiscus common name. Right. Remaining all families tetrasporangiate. Dicticus. Okay, na? Blind answer. Okay. This is important example. Malvaceae, Hibiscus, China. Okay, na? Stamens may be 3 or fused, no? Yes or no? Yes. If they are 3, what is the term you will use? Poly means many. Here two meanings. Many in one place it is free. Polyhedrous. Polyhedrous means three statements. Okay, na? You see the floral diagram 78. 78, huh? Mustard. 6 statements are there. They are free, huh? Outer wall 2, inner wall 4. 2 plus 4. So, mustard is example. If they are fused or united, two conditions. If they are united among themselves, if statements are united, my fingers are united among themselves. This condition is known as cohesion or phonation of statements. If they are united with sepals, petals, other floral parts, addition or addination of statements. My two hands are two stamens. Followed are what are united now? What are free now? And I am begging like this now. So this condition is known as Adelphi. Correct? Adelphi means filaments three. Oh, sorry, fused. Anthers three. Okay, na? If they are arranged in one bundle, monodal. Two bundles, many more than two. Monodal plus characteristic feature of which family? Always example. Hibiscus. Didymphus is characteristic feature of Fabaceae. TDP party. Telugu party. T for Tetrosia. D for Dolichos. P for Physomathi. Okay, na? Polydymphus. It is characteristic feature of citrus, Rutaceae family. Okay, na? No. First time I started begging. Now I am start doing namaste. God are free now. God are united now. So this condition is known as sin. This word is not there in your book. In this place in your book, sin delicious is given. It is characteristic feature of sunflower. Which flower? If both are united like this, then Synandry example. It could be Daisy. Okay, na? See, what I observed in this class, some of the students are not at all concentrating. I am observing because I start shouting, here waste my time, my energy. Because you are going to lose your career, not my career. My life is over. I am settled. You are going to settle your own life. All the way you are coming here, paying the amount to the charges for sitting on the benches, relaxing on the benches. For that purpose, you are coming. You can do the same job at your home also. What is the fun? And that bloody fellow not at all concentrating. Neither writing, not underlining, nothing. Just you concentrating your friends. I cannot live without you. Son, am I right? Can you tell no, what I thought just now? No. Physically you are sitting, mentally you are moving in one city. This is the first class. I'm leaving you, but tomorrow onwards I will be very strict. I cannot tolerate. And there should be a rapport between you and me always. If there is no rapport between you and me, I lose my interest teaching. And there should be a rapport. Otherwise, our classroom become a deaf and dumb. I don't want to see as a deaf and dumb. Always there should be interaction between you and me. You can have lunch, please.